Good morning this Wednesday, the 11th of June. I'm Grady Wolf, market analyst with Bell Direct. Wall Street rallied on Tuesday as investors focus on the outcome of US and China trade talks, which entered into a second day in London. The S&P 500 gained 0.55% on Tuesday to post a third straight winning day, while the Dow Jones added 0.25% and the Nasdaq ended the day up 0.63%. Investors are hoping a stable deal can be done, with some officials saying the negotiations are going well and they can expect the talks will continue all day again between China and the US. In Europe, overnight markets closed mixed as investors again brace for US-China trade updates. The STOXX 600 rose 0.08%, Germany's DAX fell 0.6%, the French CAC rose 0.17%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 ended the day up just shy of 0.25% and just shy of a previous record set. Across the APAC region on Tuesday, markets in the region closed mixed as investors await details of US-China trade talks, which is the common theme across markets right now. Japan's Nikkei rose 0.32%, China's CSI index lost 0.51%, Hong Kong's Seng closed flat, and South Korea's Kospi index ended the day up 0.56%. The local market started the holiday shortened trading week with a fresh record close on Tuesday, buoyed by strength among energy stocks amid the rising price of oil yesterday. Progress in talks between China and the US on Monday night through a 6-hour meeting, and NAB business confidence data in Australia for May out yesterday morning beat expectations, and those were the key drivers of the local index, posting a 0.84% gain on Tuesday to close at that record high. Investor sentiment is very news and noise driven right now, so any positive news and outlook drives markets higher, and conversely, any negative news drives markets lower. Yesterday, we had the release of NAB business confidence for May released, and also Westpac consumer confidence for June released, with business confidence rising 2 index points for May, which well exceeded the fall of -3 index points economists were expecting, but consumer confidence rose just 0.5%, which fell short of the 2.5% rise markets had expected, as consumer fears remain elevated on global trade uncertainty. Monash IVF tanked over 25% yesterday after news surfaced that the company has encountered a second IVF embryo implantation incident, with the wrong embryo being inserted into a patient, marking the second event of this kind to hit the headlines in a month. Gold miners retreated on Tuesday as investor appetite for growth stocks regained momentum amid the sliding price of gold on the back of trade negotiation progress between the world's largest economies. The Australian dollar has strengthened against the greenback overnight to buy 65.19 US cents, 94.47 Japanese yen, 48.11 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 8 cents. On the commodities front this morning, oil has pulled back from yesterday's spike to trade 0.91% lower at $64.68 a barrel. Gold is down 0.1% at $3,322 an ounce, and iron ore is down 0.6% at $95.62 a tonne. Ahead of Wednesday's trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are anticipating the ASX will open the day up 0.28%, extending on that record close yesterday. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has increased a 12-month price target on Catapult Group and maintained a hold rating on the leading sports technology company following the company's announcement of its latest acquisition of US-based Perch for an initial consideration of $18 million. The analyst sees the acquisition will provide a large cross-sell opportunity to its existing 3,600 pro teams. And Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on Yancoal following the formation of a pattern over a period of 60 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of $5.51 to the range of $6.25 to $6.45, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all we have time for this Wednesday morning. Have a wonderful day and happy investing.